I'll show you how to plot two lines with different line widths in MATLAB. Okay, for that I'm taking some point like x equal space 0 to 2 pi and data values like 1000 and y1 let take sin x and y2 equal cos x. Okay, cos x. Okay, and let's plot the first x y1. Okay, and line with like 2. Okay, and type hold on and plot x y2 and line with let 10. Okay, now hold off. This will create two figure. One is sine wave and one is cos wave of two line height. Okay, this you can see here the different line wave aligned with in a single figure. Okay, if this helps you, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share.